Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Add tenderizer. Mix all the contents softly. Add red chili powder. Add coriander powder. Add cumin powder. Add hot spice mix or garam masala powder. Mix all the contents softly. Add salt to taste. Add whole spices. Mix all the contents softly. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix all the contents softly. Add salt to taste. Add cooking oil. Cover and simmer. Marinate and refrigerate. Add marinated meat to a large vessel or a pan. Add cooking oil. Mix all the contents softly. Add black peppers. Add yogurt. Mix all the contents softly. Add fried onions. Add fresh coriander or cilantro. Add fresh mint. Add green chilies. Add soaked rice to boiling water. Check rice to make sure they are 70% cooked. Add boiled rice. Spread rice evenly. Add fried onions. Add fresh coriander or cilantro. Add fresh mint. Add clarified butter or ghee. Add Kira water. Add rose water. Add yellow food color. Airtight the vessel either with aluminum foil or using flour dough to seal it properly. Cook for 10 minutes at high heat, then for 15 minutes at medium heat, and finally reduce the heat to low and cook for another 20 minutes. Delicious Hyderabadi Dum Biryani is ready to be enjoyed. It can be served with raita and salad. Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.